Hi there. In this video, I'm covering dropshipping, another potential income stream in our online business series. This business model lets you sell products without ever handling inventory yourself. Let's explore how it works, the platforms you can use, and whether it might be right for you.
Dropshipping is an online business model where you act as a middleman between customer and supplier. You create an online store, quite often using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, and list products for sale. When a customer places an order on your website, you purchase the same item from supplier, quite often on AliExpress or Spocket or Zendrop, and they ship the product directly to the customer. You never handle inventory yourself, and a profit comes from the difference between what a customer pays and what you pay the supplier. Let me mention some of the pros. The startup costs are low, you don't need to storage the items, and it's a scalable business model. On the other hand, the cons are the profit margins are quite low, shipping times can be long, and the competition is high. So again, also this business model has its pros and cons, but if you choose the right product and focus on marketing, it can be a profitable business over time.
What niche would you choose if you started a dropshipping business? Sports, beauty, tech gadgets? It's better to go deeper. As for example, when talking about tech gadgets, you want to check, for example, smart home devices or drones and accessories. If you're not sure, I can help you choose the right niche. Just let me know. Remember, while dropshipping has low startup costs, finding the right niche is critical. Choose products you're passionate about or that solve a specific problem. See you in the next video.